Hello everyone, welcome to another session on number 2. In this session we will understand how the number 2 energies in single and multiple numbers works in an individual's date of birth. So let's understand it. If number 2 comes only once in a date of birth, for example, number 2 has come one time only in a date of birth, the person's motherly instincts will be very high. Like he will have a nature of as a mother, like he will be very caring for others, he'll be soft spoken person, he'll be very creative person, he will be very sentimental people. They are most of the time they are found very sentimental, very emotional people. They get hurt very easily if number 2 is there in a date of birth. They always need a partner to push them, to motivate them. They are very interested in photography. They are good with partnerships. So what happens when double two or triple two comes? They become very addictive. Addiction comes very easily when double two and triple two comes in a date of birth. They become oversensitive. Okay, they get hurt very easily. They need extreme emotional support of others. You should never ever make fun of these people. When double two or triple two is there in their date of birth, they get hurt very easily. They cannot take rejections or disappointments. They are tempted to easily, especially go towards wrong path. They attract wrong path in their life very easily, and this tendency increases when number 4 is also there, which we will be discussing further in the sessions. They always look for people who can give them emotional support. They cannot take stress very easily. They will easily adopt habits such as smoking. Suicidal tendencies, either depressive nature, are there of these people. That is 100% sure. They are completely emotionless people, or they can be very sentimental. Either of it will sure to happen. Okay, but normally what I have seen in double two, people are very emotional people. If triple two comes, then they become little a kind of person that they don't have emotions. They become less in emotions when triple two comes. Okay, so guys, this was my observation. How to take that in a date of birth, you may see in these examples here. On 12th of May 1987, the total is 6. Here 2 is coming. In this example, you may see on February and 82, twice 2 has come. So this is how we will be seeing this on the date of birth of a person. So guys, this was my session on number 2. In the next session, I will be covering number 3. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.